Hello students, welcome to Shorap's classes. So we are solving revision of UGC NET 2016 July paper. So we are doing paper number 3. So in today's video we'll start with question number 51 and we will finish off the 70 until question number 75. So which among the following are true for excess demand function of an individual homogeneous degree 0 in all prices? Yes, and obey Walrasian law. So both of them 1 and 2 are right. Now we'll go to next question, question number 52. Which of the following measures the degree of monopoly power? So we know the right answer would be AR minus MR by AR. Now we'll come to question number 53. A firm will be of optimum size when the average cost is minimum. So option 2. The next question will come to the time preference theory of interest rate was developed by, out of this 4 we know Irving Fisher developed the time preference theory of interest rate. Now we'll come to question number 55. Which of the following statement is true for Arrow-Debreu model of general equilibrium? We know where they are delivered and when they are delivered, both of them are right. So option 3 is the right answer. Now if sales tax on a commodity is raised but revenue earned through the sales decreases sharply, which one of the following statement about nature of its commodity would be correct? The price elasticity of demand for its unity. It must be an essential good. Price elasticity of demand for it is high. So if the sales tax on a commodity is raised but revenue earned through its sales decreases sharply, then the price elasticity of demand for it is high. Now we'll come to the next question, that is question number 57. So in question number 57 it is given, the below diagram show that risk aversion of two individuals with the help of indifference curve. Choose the correct answer from the following by studying the diagram, out of which you know that A is a highly risk averse because they lie above this. Now we'll go to question number 58. In question number 58 is given, one of the essential conditions for monopolistic competition is product differentiation. Logical extension of Cournot model is Tekelberg model. The minimum support price for agriculture commodities are fixed after taking into account the recommendation of which of the following bodies? We know it is CACP. Now diversification of agriculture in price, 4 options are given. We know changing cropping pattern in favor of horticulture and floriculture is the right answer. Now which one of the following scheme is not included in the RKVY? So 4 options are given, out of none of them are added. So option 4 is the right answer. Now we'll go to the next question. So in this question we have come to question number 63. Agricultural productivity is very low in India. Yes, rate of growth of population is high, but this is not the right reason for this. So the right answer would be option 2. Now we'll come to this question. Agricultural census is done at which one of the following intervals? So we know it is to be once in 5 years. Now the next question, question number 65. The share of food expenditure in total expenditure for urban consumer and rural consumer India was 56 and 64% respectively, and we changed to 41 and 54% in 2009 to 10. So this is appropriately explained by which of the following? We know it is explained by operation of Engel's law. Now we'll go to the next question, question number 66. For this we have to just integrate this function and then we have to minus it with this x and we have to put this value here and we'll get the value of price. So by doing this you will get the value to be 28 by 3. And for question number 67 we have found that the CSS production function, the elasticity of substitution between factor will be option 4, that is 1 by 1 minus rho. Now we'll come to question number 68. So in the following diagram, so we have to understand which one is the right. We know this is the right because it is decreasing at a decreasing rate. It is concave to the origin. Now we'll come to question number 69, for which we know the right answer is option 2. That is, number of non-zero valued variables is exactly equal to the number of constant. And for question number 70 we have to find the input analysis which we determined according to which of the following? Option 3 is the right answer. And now in this video it is given the r value of small r is given as 0.8. So the right answer for variation is y explained by x square, which is r square, will be given as 64%. Now in question number 72 it is given, if OLS is applied separately to each equation, that is part of simultaneous equation system, the resulting estimate will be biased and inconsistent. Now we have come to the last 3 questions of this paper. So in this question it is given. So now we'll come to this. GLS is used in 2 autocorrelation and heteroscedasticity. So for this we know the right answer would be option 3. Not this, option 3 is the right answer. So now we'll have to match these two lists. For question number 74, we know Coldfield Quant test is a measure of heteroscedasticity, Darwin-Watson test is for autocorrelation, Federer-Gobling test is for multicollinearity, and Wald-Burdett method is for error in variables. Now in the last question, question number 75, 3 questions are given, out of which we know there are 6 into 3, so just identified is the right answer. So now we have revised all the 75 questions in the last 3 videos, I mean, including this video. So if you have any query or doubts regarding this question, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number, which is 9836793076, or you can also go to our website, which is www.showropsirsclasses.com. There you will find a lot of other videos like this, and you will also get to see a lot of other materials which are needed for different entrance exams. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any query or doubt, you can simply WhatsApp me on this number. So have a nice day ahead.